Ini tiap hari ini.
Udah. Oh, udah. Tuh. Nih. Sebentar. Orang. Berapa orang?
Masih 11.
Tuh. Admin. Mulai. Oke.
Kalau misalnya mati, tapi kalau cuma ada warningnya nggak apa-apa gitu.
Mulai.
Kalau sampai mati sendiri baru bikin lagi.
Mulai. Gini aja. Aku share link nih.
Udah di share. Udah di share.
Enggak, belum buka
Screen.
Screen.
Mana pun.
Sama aja.
Gimana?
Nah.
Terus yang meeting console.
Udah pernah masuk belum? Ya, gini aja. Jadi ntar kamu kalau dari
Apa sih?
Lihat nggak siapa orang-orangnya apa nggak usah langsung aplikasi.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. So today I will give presentation about the structure of atom. The story about our understanding of atom in the 19th and 20th century is very much. The philosopher from Greek in 400 BCE, his idea about matter are composed by small particle was dismissed by Aristotle. Until in 1808, when John Dalton published his idea about atom theory, he said that all atoms are identical to each other, and his atom were the smallest part that could exist. An atom could not be broken or destroyed. Even keluar. Oh, isi.
Bukan itu lah. Tuh dulu.
Apa itu Paris? Belum. Tadi aku mana? Even today, it is still believed that atom could not be broken during the chemical reaction. However, in the 1897, physician J.J. Thomson discovered the first atomic particle called electron. Electron more smaller than atom, and he found that electron more lighter and have negative electrical charge. He also found that every atom from different elements produce one electron. It's mean that all atom at least contain same subatomic in common. If atom contain electrical charge, they also must contain positive electrical charge. In 1911, Ernest Rutherford, Hans Geiger, and Ernest Marsden show that the positive electrical charge is concentrated into a small nucleus right in the middle of it. They said that the diameter of nucleus could not be greater than 0.0001 from atom itself. Ernest Rutherford also said that the electrical charge called proton and proton more heavier than electron. At the same time, Ernest Rutherford, Ernest Marsden, and S. Geiger also searched for the structure of nucleus, and they found an element contain different masses, but also contain same identical chemistry property. This element called isotopes. The first isotopes was found in unstable radioactive element thorium. But in 1930, Thomson found neon. Neon atom is more heavier, but also more stable than thorium.
Terserah sana 10 apa jam? Terserah sana.
Chemical energy made up of two components, that is kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy increase as the temperature increase. Different from potential energy. Potential energy at normal temperature more bigger than kinetic energy. Potential energy appears because ion molecule and atom attract and drift away each other. Now we can conclude that atoms are made up of very small and very dense nucleus that contain proton and neutron, and most of the volume of atom are occupied by electron. Atom can move from lower energy to higher energy by heating into 100 degrees. Unlike planet in circular orbit, that the distance from sun that doesn't change. Distance from nucleus and electron didn't have fixed distance. Even though we can calculate the average distance of nucleus and electron, if we want to take picture from electron and nucleus, we might find the electron more far or more closer to the nucleus, different from the data we get. And atom from different element contain different electron. If single electron, example like hydrogen atom contain 1 electron, uranium atom contain 92 electron. This is called electron configuration. This is the main feature to decide the chemical reaction of element. If single electron like helium, hydrogen, it will be in 1s orbital. So the electronic configuration is 1s1, and helium have 2 electrons, so you can write 1s2. Every orbital cannot accommodate more than 2 electrons, so if you want to put the third electron, that example is lithium, you can put in the next lower orbital, that is 2s, so you can write 1s2, 2s1, and so on. In the 1920, Otto Stern make an experiment with Walter Gerlach. The result from this experiment is electron spinning on its axis, and the spin of electron, it's can be like clockwise or non-clockwise. The symbol for these two direction is up and down. So if we want to distinguish this electron, we can look the different direction. Like Pauli principle said that there are only 2 electrons occupy 1 orbital, and they must have different direction. There are many benefits from atom. Example, as alternative energy to change electricity. Atom energy not depend on water or air. So if you want to, so if the atom energy could spread the electricity more better than water or air power plant. And then ask your, we can kill the cancer cell, use the radiation from atom. And then for agriculture, we also can use the radiation to kill insect that ruin the plant. Atom is a sustainable energy that will not ruin the environment, and atom energy can be used for long time. But atom also can be used for weapon. As we know, in World War II, America used atomic bomb to attack Hiroshima and Nagasaki, and because of that, there are many people die. But in 1995, there is a regulation to stop use atomic bomb for weapon and only use atomic for peace. At the time, around 170 countries agree with this regulation, including Indonesia. I think it's all from me. If there are any question, you can open your mic.
Sal, Faisal, aku Sal.
Sal, nih.
Aku Sal, aku Sal.
Sal
Rijal,
Widya,
Rijal.
Sal Widya.
Rijal.
Farlita aku.
Rijal.
Farlita aku.
Rijal.
Farlita aku. Farlita
Ya.
Widya.
Please explain the advantage and disadvantage of Rutherford atom.
What?
Explain about
Explain the-
advantage and disadvantage of Rutherford atom. Less and more lah, kekurangan dan kelebihan.
Oh, dari Rutherford
From
ya?
yes.
And then the other. Next.
Sal.
Siapa?
Sal aku Sal.
Aku Sal.
Ya.
Sal aku sih.
Siapa duluan nih?
Aku.
Budi.
Ya.
Ya, Budi.
Sal.
Ya.
Why the atom it's like our solar system?
Pardon. Repeat.
Why the atom it's
Yeah.
like our solar system?
Because atom is the basic element in the universe. So the shape is like our solar system. Yeah. Next.
Widya.
Ih, aku.
Widya.
Ya wis Widya wis. Cepat.
Ya, cepat apa?
Explain about hypothesis E. Rutherford after experiment to discover the concept the atomic nucleus.
Di chat.
Oke.
Ya, keluar. Kedengaran dari sini, Pak. Kedengaran di sini. Ayo, chat.
Done.
Explain about hypothesis that after experiment to discover the concept the atomic nucleus. Oh, chat. Apa? After experiment, Rutherford saw that mostly atom is mostly empty space with a tiny dense and positive electrical charge. Yeah. Next.
Okay, thank you.
Me. Describe the difference between metallic and non-metallic elements.
The difference between
metallic and non-metallic elements.
Sakit.
Yeah, Sakif.
You know that in all of things there is atom, and so of course human also have atom, and my question is how many atom in our body?
According to the article I read last night, the particle atom in our body is around 4 trillion. Around 4 trillion atoms in our body. Yeah. Yeah. Next.
Sal.
Sal, Pak.
Lukman
Ini,
duluan.
Faris.
Lukman duluan.
David.
Lukman duluan.
Faris. Sal.
Sal.
Faris.
Halo,
Sal.
Iya ya.
Wih.
aku ya.
Siapa nih? Ya udah Faris.
Oke.
Aku ya.
Iya.
Tes. Okay. Why Indonesia not use atom to change solar panel? Halo. Tes. Tes. Tes.
Next.
Wis ya aku ya.
Iya, tadi udah aku jawab.
Sip, thank you.
Yuk.
Mimi. Kok
Aku
Ya,
nggak.
David duluan tadi.
Iya.
explain or describe how can Rutherford find his atomic theory?
Skip dulu lah. Yang lain.
Aku Sal.
Iya.
Aku ya. What
Yeah.
do you think how the great future atom bomb when destroyed Nagasaki and Hiroshima?
Slowly, please.
What do you think ya? Menurutmu berapa
Yeah.
tekanan yang bom atom sehingga bisa menghancurkan Nagasaki dan Hiroshima?
David.
Mi, aku mau tanya.
Ya udah.
Apa?
Ya.
Udah, Kak.
Kak.
Can you tell me the difference between electron and protons?
Electron. Electron is a negative electrical charge and proton is positive electrical charge. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank
Next.
you.
David, repeat it. David.
Yeah.
David.
Tes, halo.
David.
Pak.
Wait, David.
Explain
Yeah.
explain or describe how can Rutherford find his atomic theory.
Oh. Rutherford find his theory ya?
Enggak, aku nggak dengar. Aku nggak pakai.
Next.
Aku.
Ya,
Pun.
Di.
Who is John Dalton and why he can make atom theory? Pun.
Cek. Cek.
Masuk.
Oh, masuk.
Gue pada takon nang chat gue.
Yeah. John Dalton is physician from England, and he find his atomic theory when he make experiment about gas and matter. Yeah. Next.
Aku salah.
Apa? Oh, Silva.
Salah.
Yeah.
Why protons and neutrons have the same value and different with the value of electron? Salah.
Ora turu sumur rampung. Wat mau turu kat mau sumur rampung.
Why? Why?
Cek.
Iya.
Cek.
Iya, ada. Siapa lagi? Next. Hey, Lukman. Man.
Halo.
Oh ya.
Yeah. You say in 1995 there is a regulation to stop use atom as the weapon. But why now there are some country that still develop the atomic bomb?
Ya, next way.
Nisa. Whether atom can be
Ya, apa, Nis?
divided again. Whether
Atom
atom
divided
can
again.
be. Uh-uh.
Oh, no, because atom is the basic. No. Atom can be divided into neutron, electron, and proton. Ya.
Oke, makasih.
Oke. Kenapa? Lukman, the answer for Lukman is because at that time not all country in around the world agree with this regulation. Only 170 countries agree with this regulation. Some country who didn't agree with this regulation, like North Korea and etc. Thank you. Next.
Safa.
Ya, apa?
Safa.
Iya.
How much the diameter of the particles in the
What? Patah-patah. Ulang. Repeat. How much the diameter of particle of atomic mass? Next.
Aku
Ya.
jelas nggak sih? Sal.
Ya.
Salah. Bener nggak?
Patah-patah.
Please.
Diketik aja.
Oke.
the role of electron. Oh, yeah. Like electron in everyday life is like electronic, laser, radiation therapy, and particle acceleration. Next.
Aku Yan.
Yeah.
Why in atom contains of neutron, proton, and electron?
Why atom contain? Yeah, next.
Aku Sal.
Yeah.
What theory become basis emergency modern atomic theory? Halo.
Yeah, repeat. What theory
become basis emergency modern atomic theory?
John Dalton theory. Yeah, the basis for the emergency atom is John Dalton theory. Ya, next.
Aku Sal. Explain the weakness of Rutherford atom. Halo?
Patah-patah, woi. Repeat. Start.
Explain the weakness of Rutherford atom.
Next.
Thank you. Next. Ada lagi nggak? Ada lagi nggak?
Faisal.
Andin? Ya. Ya.
What the theory which underlines the emergence of modern atomic theory?
Rampung ya. Rampung.
The theory is used for now is Bohr theory, Rutherford theory, and Bohr theory. Yeah. Next. Ada lagi nggak? Nggak tahu. Coba sama dicek. Wisnu udah. David udah. Udah. Naila udah. Naila udah. Naila udah. Nisa udah. Udah. Udah semua. Ya. Ya.
Stop share. Terus stop recording.